morning. Today we have a mission. Today we're going to take a net out from the reef. I made a plan already how I gonna do it. With or without the help, I will be able to get it out. Just need some cutting tool and prepare the equipment, and then I go.
Here, the ocean is near, where you dug a hole and buried my fear.
time for comments. So what we just did, we did again 40-meter dive to recover net, to get it out. So finally almost done, but because we actually spent the 35 meters more than 30 minutes, I think there was 35 minutes, and we got 48 minutes decompression at 6 meters. We were not able to accomplish this mission, so we have to go back again. I think we will wait until the moment when we will be able to get a boat, just because within one night there were so many fishes, blue spotted stingrays inside the net. Some of them we saved, but some of them not, and there were a lot of them. So my main mission was to somehow wrap this net to prevent any possibility for the other fishes, for the new fishes to get into this net. So which we did, and I'm happy about that. Another thing, when you're working like this, you have to be really careful, because you're not in some point, because it takes effort to do anything on this reef, because especially this net is stuck on the reef and you have to get it off. So it takes a lot of effort, and in some point you are not controlling your breathing. And if you have such a long decompression like we got, like I said, 48 minutes, so that means you need air for this long decompression, and at the same time you're diving in the conditions of the current. There was also a little downgoing current. It was not so bad, but there was still, and that's all the things what you have to keep in mind. You cannot just work and then just simply go to the surface. You cannot, because then you will get banded. So basically you will get the decompression sickness. So that's the things what you always have to consider. Pretty bad visibility in the beginning. On a depth of around 40 meters, it was really good visibility. The colder water came up from the depth. The temperature was 27 degrees. So basically everybody has their own task. My task was to take the net off. Laura helped me and filmed, and Anna was responsible about all this decompression. She was the one who informed me all the time how many minutes we are on the bottom, how many and what's going on with the decompression schedule. I'm happy I was able to wrap it, so no new fish going into it. It was so pity actually to see so many reef fishes, butterflies, what is that small group is, all these fishes was some of them was already dead, some of them we tried to get out, but then we already damaged a little bit the skin, and I'm not sure that they will survive. But that's it, what it is. And another thing is that the net was really long, like 150 meters definitely. Yeah, but we covered all the length. That's good. All right, that was our mission for today. Thank you very much for watching this mission together with us. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.